let's talk about dodging and burning. What is dodging and burning? Dodging and burning is a way of enhancing the shadows and the highlights to create 3D dimension and also to enhance some facial contours. So sometimes when you see people make up and they try to apply highlight to the jaw and make the jaw look narrower, that is a technique dodging and burning can do. They can make the cheek look wider, they can make it look narrower, and this is dodging and burning technique. Okay, so let me show you how to do dodging and burning. Dodging is actually making the highlights, enhancing the highlights, while burning, whatever you burn turns to charcoal. So see it like something that has to be dark. So applying dark, applying dark shadows to the image is burning, while applying highlights to the image is dodging. Okay, so make sure that you already retouch your image. So for this image, I've retouched, so you can see the before and after. Although we didn't do color correction, we just had to do frequency separation. Now once you get it, I'm going to get rid of this one. Now duplicate it, Ctrl J. Now dodging and burning, you can either use your beauty retouch or other 3D plugin, and I have more here. Let's go to window actions. And you're going to see under this we have dodge and burn, meet retouch, dodge and burn. You can see the different type of dodge and burn we have. I have dodge and burn, gray layer, dodge and burn, apply image 1, apply image 2, apply image 1, apply image after. So we also have dodge and burn fill layer, dodge and burn global soft, dodge and burn general. So different dodging and burning method that I've created. So if you want it, I'm going to put it up for you. So but let's look at the first way to do dodging and burning. Create a curve layer, take it up, and you're going to close it. I'm using another method now. Select the brush, invert it, Ctrl I, and then paint over one like that. Let's make it smaller. I'm going to paint like that, paint a cheek, paint and paint and paint, paint and paint. Yeah, you want to see it, okay, and paint on a body. I'm also going to show you. So once you do this, you're going to go ahead, okay, see on our lips as well. Let's make it smaller, apply it on our lips, our teeth, and yeah. All right, so let's say this is what we want to do. We're going to go to image, apply image, select the mask, go to apply image, and just the settings. You're going to click multiply, leave it at merge, invert, do get, and you're just going to hit, because if you change it to normal, you have it like this. But if you put it at multiply, it's just going to apply to where you need it. You just click OK, and now you can decrease the opacity a little bit, and here we go with your dodge and burn. You can actually feather it out too. So go to feather, go to this one, select the mask, and then feather it out. Keep feathering it out, okay? So it's very important you feather it out, and then you can still increase your opacity, and you're going to get the results you want. So we have before and after, before and after. But I usually don't use this method because it functions like general the general dodge and burn. I'm going to grab another one again, the curve, take it downwards like this, and then invert the mask, Ctrl I. I'm going to grab the brush and I'm going to paint where we need it, something like this, like this, okay, like this, and make it bigger, like this, and like that and like that. All right, so you can feather it out first, open it up, go to this, select the mask, and then increase the feather. Keep increasing till you have a soft edge, so something like this. And now you go to image, apply image, still the same, you just leave it like that, multiply, merge, and it's okay. And there we go with our bond. You can see the difference. Let me zoom in, and you have it like this. So you have this like this. So you just did dodging and burning. You can see the difference. All right, so now I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to grab the curve and quickly do the normal dodging and burning, which we use curve in doing. Increase it, Control I, select the brush tool, make sure foreground color is white, and you can just do like this, 1 2, still too big, Control Z. I'm going to make it smaller, so 1 2 3 4, and you keep rolling, and you keep doing it like this. Sometimes I like increasing it all the way up, it just gives it more shine. Okay, go back to the mask. I'm going to select this and do it like this, and this one as well. Do something like this. So make sure you're doing it right. Okay, so on the head, yeah. All right, so actually I'm also gonna do it here, and this slide as well. I'm gonna do it somewhere here and somewhere here, somewhere on a cheek, around. All right, so let's say we have that. I'm going to enhance this light. You know what I'm talking about. So enhance the light here as well. Now, one thing I'll focus more on is this little light we have on our body. So I'm just going to quickly do it like this. Just know how to follow the light, and you are good to go. And I'm going to do this the same thing. All right, so now this on, so just dodge, go ahead, grab the curve, take it down. Look how amazing the image even look in the dark. Okay, so Control I. And now I'm going to enhance the shadows, so just like this, and let's leave that already. Let's make this one just the corner of it, and the corner like this. Okay, I'm going to enhance this, and let's do this like this. So notice what we do. One, and I'm going to do this as well, soften it and soften this place. Okay, let's say that this is what we have. So I'm creating dimension. Select this and enhance the light here, enhance this. You can as well enhance the lips. So the next thing, okay, see some highlights on our eyes, some highlights on our eyes. All right, so now, once you are done, you have something like this. You can now start blurring it out. So let's go to filter, blur. So instead of going to that one, and you can actually reverse it, I'm just going to select the mask, open it up, go to select the mask now, and go to this layer. You see automatically it comes here. You can zoom out and feather it out. So keep feathering it till where everything blends. So I'm gonna leave it somewhere like this. Should be fine. Let's take it back a little and make sure those things aren't showing. I'm going to leave it at 28. Okay, so the next one also should be 28 if we have the same range. So let's go select the mask. It's going to go there automatically and increase. The last one was 28, right? So increase, and we have 28. 28 just looks okay. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Yep. So this is what we have. Now select the two, close it. So we have this before and after, before and after. So notice how dodging and burning. Now you can go ahead and come here to the curve, go to image, apply image, and it's just going to apply another one. That's another dodging and burning if you want to take it to another level. So just hit OK, and it's going to be there, but very light. And same as this, go to image, apply image, and click on multiply, and it's okay. Make sure everything is the same, like merge and source. So it's okay, and you can see the dodging and burning is there. So it's very light. You can use the first method if you want, but the difference between the first one and the apply image is the apply image remove the highlight from the darker side and flush it with the highlight and the mid, while it removes the burn from the highlight and flush it with the mid, but make it present in the dark.